everyone, Matt Bush here with Unstoppable Success. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to make money online, specifically affiliate marketing. Our channel here at Unstoppable Success is focused on helping you learn legitimate ways to make money online. We're going to explore a bunch of different stuff. I have experience with a lot of different things, and I'm looking forward to sharing my knowledge with you. Also, be sure to check out our live Q&A sessions where you'll be able to ask me any question that you want. So let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I'm going to explain what affiliate marketing is, just in case you don't know what it means. If you're looking to sell something online, one of the most popular ways to make money online, and there's a lot of people that have become successful this way, is to do affiliate marketing. And basically what that means is you're going to make money by selling other people's stuff. Now, if you're familiar with Avon and Tastefully Simple and all those other kind of companies like that, Amway, this is not that. This is so not that. I want to be super, super clear about that. The way that this works is whenever you sell something through affiliate marketing, you'll typically get at least 50% of a commission from it. 50% instead of getting like the 8% from Amway or whatever it is. It's very, very small compared to this. Plus you can sell this anywhere online. So basically what you do is you find someone else's product that already exists and you promote it. And the nice thing about this is that you don't have to make your own product. You're literally taking someone else's and selling it, and they already have their own sales page. It's so much easier than making your own product. You can go lots of different places to find an offer to promote, including Amazon, ClickBank, CJ, JVZoo. There's lots. Especially if you promote digital products, that's where you're going to see the higher commissions. In fact, on ClickBank, you can sell something and get as much as 100% commission. It's insane. The reason for that is because if you're selling something that's digital, you could sell it to one person, to two people, to three people, and the vendor doesn't have to make 3 digital copies. They just make one, and it's downloaded again and again. That's why you'll see that you're going to make a lot more money from promoting digital things. And the really nice thing about working online is that it's pretty easy to do. There's so much opportunity out there. So for example, I'm in ClickBank, a popular affiliate vendor, and you can see here that there's lots of different courses that we could promote. So let's say that you wanted to do a course where you were going to help people that have dogs that are barking nonstop to get them to bark. If you own a dog, or if your neighbor owns a dog, it can be a real pain when they bark in the middle of the night and freak out when you're not there and all that kind of stuff. And if the dog could be taught not to do that, it would be a big deal. So here's a book, an ebook course that you could sell, and I'm going to assume that the course is probably about $47, and out of that you're going to get $32 paid to you. So that means that someone will buy this course, they'll pay the person who made this course $47 or whatever it would be, and then 32 of that is going to go to you. Okay, pretty great, right? And all you have to do is let people know about it. So once you sign up to be an affiliate, they give you a link, and whenever somebody buys through this link, they're going to get a commission. So check this out here. All you have to do is find people that are interested in the product, drop your affiliate link, and when they go on to buy that product, you're going to get paid. So look at this. Here, this is a really great site. It's called Quora, Quora, and it's a place that you can go to find people that are in need of things. And if someone already needs to find a way to get their dog to stop barking, they're going to be the perfect audience for our affiliate offer. So you hear the person says, my dog barks at everything. She looks through the window and barks at anyone that passes by. She sometimes puts her paws outside the fence, and we get the idea. She's really loud, it says at the end. So what you could do is you could create an account on Quora and answer this person's question. You could write something like this. Have you ever seen this? I know this has helped a lot of people with barking dogs. And then you have a link that goes to the dog training offer. Now, not only will you be able to reach out to someone who is literally asking for help, but anybody else that stumbles upon this page, and you can see there's already 23 comments, anyone else that comes to this page, they're also going to see this. And who's going to come to this page? Other people that have trouble with their dog barking. So something like that takes a couple minutes, and then you move on to the next one, a couple minutes, and this kind of thing is going to be there forever. Well, I mean, as long as the site's up. And beyond that, there's a very good chance that a lot of people are going to continue to find it as time moves forward, even though you only have to do this once, okay? Now, I do want to mention about Amazon, because this is another popular place where people will sell things, direct people to Amazon to buy it, and they'll get a commission. However, because it's physical products, the amount that you're going to have to pay, the amount that they're going to pay you, is going to be a lot less. So, for example, you can see if you were to sell headphones, you would get about 6%. So if the headphones were $100, you get $6. Nothing wrong with $6, but it's that you got to get someone to spend $100 for you to get $6. I'd much rather work to get someone to buy something for $50 and I get paid $25. You see the difference there. Number one, it's going to be easier to get someone to buy something for $50 than it would for $100. And number two, I'm going to make like over five times the amount of money from that transaction, okay? So one place that I recommend that I like a lot is ClickBank and also JVZoo. They both focus on promoting digital products. Here, for example, this is a weight loss program that's used, that ClickBank has, and people love to lose weight, right? They love to learn about losing weight. Maybe they don't take action, but they love to learn how. And you know what? If somebody buys this and doesn't take action, that's on them. Our role is to provide them with what they're looking for and be helpful to them. So if you were to take this, $34, and you were to start sharing with people that want to lose weight, all it takes is one of them to buy it, and you're going to get $34, just one. And if you're able to promote this online, you can set yourself up that people are going to find it like every day. It's pretty incredible. This is a picture of me with my family at the Statue of Liberty in New York, and I just want to stress to you that because I'm able to make my income online, I work from home, I'm able to do all kinds of crazy stuff. We have the best summers. I love spending time with my family. That's what I work for. You're not going to see me with fancy cars or stuff like that. I really like to be able to spend time with my family, even time on my hobbies. It's pretty great. So I want you to keep a lookout for us. This has been Unstoppable Success, and we have a lot of videos on here, or we're making a lot, that's going to show you how to make money online in more specific steps. I know that today was a general overview to teach you about affiliate marketing, but we're going to have lots of educational value here for free to show you how to do affiliate marketing and other stuff too. Also, be sure to subscribe, because we're going to be doing a lot of live sessions where you'll be able to come out and ask me any question you want. So that way you can watch the videos, you can learn what to do, but then when you have questions, you can come right back and ask me, all for free. Now, I will let you know about things that you could buy that would make things even better, but I want you to know there's never any pressure to do that. I'm just going to also let you know, like any good affiliate would, right? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.